An anti-detect browser is a browser designed to help you remain undetected while browsing the internet. It allows you to manage multiple online accounts without detection. In the Lite version, you can create unlimited profiles. Add the profile name and group first. Then check the OS you want to use: Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. The software can set up the UA user agent based on the OS. You can also click here to generate the UA. Cookie JSON can help you log in accounts without usernames and passwords. I'll add a TikTok cookie here. Next, you can add proxies here. Both HTTP and SOCKS are supported. Click here to check if the proxy is valid. Then choose the platform you want to browse. It supports Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and more. Reminder: you can use cookies to log in, although you cannot use usernames and passwords in the Lite version. If the platform ain't on the list, you can add the URL manually or contact us to custom. I'll choose TikTok as an example here. The software can generate fingerprints like language and time zone based on the proxy IP. If you want to edit some advanced fingerprint options, you need to upgrade the version. After that, launch the browser. As you see, it auto-logged in TikTok with the cookie. You can use the account to like, comment, follow, etc. Then open Hoover.net to check the fingerprint. It shows 100%, which means the anonymity measures are safe. Download MarketerBrowser Lite for free now and start your social marketing.